Hi students, today we are discussing one of the application of dynamic programming, that is all pairs shortest path by using dynamic programming concept. First, we have to find here all pairs shortest path. Okay, in the sense all pairs we need to find out the length of the shortest path from the given graph. Let us see here, we have to find out the shortest path between every pair of vertices in a directed graph G. It is a directed graph ma. Graph consists of vertices and edges. In every pair of vertices we need to find out the shortest path ma. Okay, so here all pairs the shortest path problem, how to determine is the shortest path problem is to determine a matrix A, is to determine a matrix capital A such that if you want to take A of I comma J, okay, I through jth column is the length of shortest path from I to J. We need to find out all pairs of the shortest path problem is to determine a matrix A such that A of I comma J is the length of shortest path from I to J. Here let us take A power K of I comma J represent, what it represent A power K of I comma J? It represents the length of shortest path. It represents the length of shortest path from I to J. Okay, going through no vertex of index. Listen carefully. Going through no vertex of index greater than K. So we need to obtain or we need to attain a length of shortest path. This is the general formula of all pairs shortest path. By using dynamic programming approach, we are using this formula. We obtain length of shortest path is the general formula. Listen carefully here. A power K of I comma J will be assigned to minimum of 1 less than or equal to K less than or equal to N, where K varies from 1 to N, and A power of K minus 1 of I comma K plus A power K minus 1 of K comma J comma C of I comma J. Okay, by using this problem, compulsory, by using this all pairs shortest path problem, we can find out all pairs shortest path by visiting all the vertices, in the graph G. Okay, it is the concept of all pairs shortest path. We need to determine a matrix A such that A of I comma J is the length of shortest path from I to J. Okay, we have to find out the shortest path between every pair of vertices in a directed graph G. Okay, graph consists of vertices and edges. Okay, this is the concept of all pairs shortest path problem. This is the algorithm. Before going to the example, you must and should learn the example. All pairs shortest path algorithm. I have give some name, all paths. Okay, of cost comma A comma N. Okay, cost in the sense cost of I comma J, in the sense I in the sense 1 to N. Okay, and J in the sense 1 to N. Cost is the cost adjacency matrix of a directed graph which n vertices A of I comma J. It is the cost of the shortest path from vertex. Okay, we listen carefully. It is the cost of shortest path from vertex. Okay, here listen carefully. We need to take I to J na. We need to calculate the length of the shortest path between every pair of vertices visited na. I to vertex J, in the sense cost of I comma J will be assigned to starting 0.0 for the condition 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to N. Now we have to open the flower brace and we have to enter into the code manner. First of all, if you have to write the condition for I will be assigned to 1 to n, do. Next, for j will be assigned to 1 to n, do. Next, a of I comma j will be assigned to cost of I comma j. In the sense, what is the meaning of this line? In the sense, copy a cost. You need to copy the cost into array of I comma j. A of I comma j, not array ma, it's a function of a of I comma j. Copy cost into a. For next, you have to write the condition for loop. For k will be assigned to 1 to n, do. Next, for I is equal to 1 to n, do. And then for j is equal to 1 to n, do. Next, you have to apply the generalizing the formula here. A of I comma j will be assigned to minimum of array, minimum of a of function of I comma j comma a of I comma k plus, and we can say and or comma a of k comma j, and close right parentheses and close the flower brace. Okay, it is the concept of all page shortest path algorithm. If you go through the example, then if we have to understand it in a clear cut way ma. Okay, now we have to visit the example. Now here, look at this example, all of you. Okay, the example is here. Given a weighted directed graph, in the directed graph the edges have some possible weights g is equal to v comma, in the sense graph consists of vertices and edges with weights. How we to determine the length of shortest path between all pairs of vertices in graph g. So here we assume that there are no cycles. We assume that there are no cycles with 0 or negative cost. Look at this graph, all of you. Look at this graph, all of you. It is, if we have 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. In this vertices, it is a directed graph, the cost adjacency matrix A power 0 is equal to, first A is 0 cost. Okay, A power 0, a cost adjacency matrix here. If we have 3 vertices, that's why 3 rows, 3 columns is there. That's why I will wrote it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Look at this matrix, all of you. 1 to 1 always 0, 2 to 2 always 0, 3 to 3 always 0. Why? Because of there is no direction. Okay, that's why I will keep zeros. Now we have to check 1 to 2, how much in the diagram? 1 to 2, 1 vertex to 2 vertex, how much the weight, so the weight of with weight they given in the question of the directed graph na 4. Okay, and look at 1 to 3, 1 to 3 how much? 11. Next we have to look at the second row of say first column. 2 to 1, 2 to 1 the direction will be 6, 2 to 2 0, 2 to 3 how much? 2 to 3 2. And then now we have to look at this 3 to 1 how much? 3. 3 to 2 how much? There is no direction, that's why we will keep infinity. And coming to the 3 to 3, is the direction? No, that's why we will keep 0. The general formula of all pairs shortest path problem by using dynamic programming, this is very important formula. All of you listen carefully. Minimum of 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n. Okay, here a power of k minus 1 of I comma k plus a power of k minus 1 of k comma j comma c of I comma j. In this problem, we need to solve this problem for different values of, listen carefully, we need to solve this problem for different values of k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3. Okay, first the step 1, you solve the equation for k is equal to 1. Now write down the formula, the general formula here in step 1. Listen carefully, amma. Minimum of a power k minus 1 of I comma k plus a power k minus 1 of k comma j comma c of I comma j. This is the formula, amma. Listen carefully. Now we need to substitute Now first of all, you have what if you have to do a power 1, we doesn't know the a power 1 value. Now we have to calculate cost adjacency matrix above a power naught. Now we can calculate a power 1. Look at this, a power 1 in the sense like this manner, a power 1, 1 2 3 1 2 3, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. If you need to calculate, if you need to solve the equation for k is equal to 1 by using the above general formula. Listen carefully now. Now I wrote a power 1 of 1 comma 1. Okay, a power 1, power 1 is nothing but k is equal to 1. Now 1 comma 1 in the sense I is 1, j is 1. Now if we have to substitute in this formula, k is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Now if we have to substitute the values in above formula is equal to minimum of a power k minus 1 in the sense how much k value will be 1. K is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, what you can get? 0. A power 0 of I comma k. I in the sense 1 comma k in the sense 1 plus a power 0. Why? Because of a power 0, how it will become? A power k in the sense 1 minus 1. How much? A power 0 of k value 1 comma j value 1 comma c of I comma j in the sense 1 comma 1. Now look at the cost adjacency matrix of a power 0 here. A power 0 1 to 1 how much? 0. A power 0 1 to 1 how much? 0 comma c of 1 comma 1 in the sense this is the diagrammatic representation of a graph. 1 to 1 there is no direction, that's why we will keep 0. The minimum cost is 0. A power 1 of 1 comma 1 will keep 0. Look at this right side, I will keep some matrix 1 2 3 1 2 3. First 1 to 1 how much we can get? 0. Likewise next you can calculate a power 1. Why? Because if we have to solve the equation for k is equal to 1, that's why a power 1, k is equal to 1. A power 1 of I comma j in the sense 1 comma 2. Here k is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. Okay. Now we have to look at the formula minimum of a power k minus 1 in the sense 1 minus 1 0 in the sense a power 0 of I comma k, I in the sense 1 comma k in the sense 1 plus a power k minus 1 in the sense a power 0 of k comma j. K how much? 1 comma j how much? 2 comma c of I comma j in the sense c of 1 comma 2. Now if we have to look at cost adjacency matrix, there minimum of a power 0 1 comma 1 0 of a plus a power 0 1 comma 2 in the sense 1 to 2 value how much? 4 comma c of 1 comma 2, c of 1 comma 2 in the sense c of 1 comma 2 in the sense the cost of adjacency matrix of 1 to 2 direction how much? 1 to 2 directions. Look at this diagram, graph, my above graph. 1 to 2, how much direction cost? 4. Okay, 4. Minimum of 4 comma 4. Which value is minimum? 4 is the minimum value. Likewise, we have to be calculated a power 1 of 1 comma 3. Look at this. That will be assigned to minimum of a power 0 in the sense k minus 1. K how much here value? 1. 1 minus 1 0. A power 0 of I comma k. I value how much? 1 comma k value how much? 1 plus a power 0 in the sense a power k minus 1 of k comma j. K value how much? 1 comma j value here how much? 3. Look at this, a power 1 of 1 comma 3 I comma j 3. Okay, next comma c of I comma j how much? I how much? 1 comma j how much? 3. Okay, now if we have to be calculated a power 0 of 1 comma 1 cost adjacency matrix 0 plus a power 0 of 1 comma 3 in the sense first row third column how much? 11 comma 11 plus 11 comma c of 1 comma 3 in the sense if we have to look at the direction c of 1 comma 3, 1 to 3 the direction will be 11. Now minimum of 11 comma 11, which one is minimum? 11 is the minimum value. Now if we have to wrote down like this, here look at this side matrix, I will wrote here 0, a power of 1 of 1 comma 1 0, a power of 1 of 1 comma 2 will be 4, a power of 1 comma 3 will be 11. Likewise we have to be calculated this. First I want to explain the a power of 1 listen carefully. First, now if we have to be calculated a power 1 in the sense k is equal to 1, a power of k in the sense a power of 1 of I comma j. Now if we have to be calculated 2 comma 1 in the sense second row first column, okay, second row first column, second row 2 comma 1. Now if we have to be calculated 2 comma 1, minimum of, now if we have to be apply the above formula, minimum of a power 0 of I comma k, I value how much here 2, k value how much here 1, plus a power of k minus 1 in the sense 1 minus 1 a power 0 of k comma j, k how much here 1 comma j how much here 1 comma c of I comma j in the sense 2 comma 1. Now if we have to be look at the cost adjacency matrix here, a power of 0 2 comma 1 how much 2 comma 1 6, plus a power of 0 1 comma 1 0 comma c of 2 comma 1 in the sense 2 to 1 the direction will be, look at this, 2 to 1 the direction will be 6. Now the minimum value of 6 comma 6 is 6. Likewise we do a power of 1 of 2 comma 2 will be 0. Next if we have to be calculated a power of 1 of 2 comma 3, it a power of 1 in the sense k is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. Okay, now if we have to apply the above formula here, look at this above formula. Step 1 I will write down, solve the equation for k is equal to 1 using the formula minimum of a power 0 of I comma k how much, I will be 2 comma k 1 plus a power of 0 k minus 1 how much, 1 minus 1 a power of 0 of k comma j how much, k in the sense 1 comma 3 comma c of 2 comma 3 in the sense c of I comma j. Likewise we have to be calculated a power of 0 2 comma 1 how much, 2 comma 1 6, okay, look at this 6 plus a power of 0 1 comma 3 in the sense a power 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 in the sense first row third column 11 you can get, okay, 11 comma c of 2 comma 3 in the sense 2 to 3 the direction will be, look at this 2 to 3 the direction will be 2 to 3 the direction will be 2. Okay, next if we have to add minimum of 6 plus 11 17 comma 2, which one is minimum, the value is minimum of 2. Now we have to write it the above matrix, 2 to 1 how much you can get 6, 2 to 2 0, 2 to 3 2. Okay, likewise if we have to be calculated a power of 1 of 3 comma 1, okay, if we have to the above formula and we can get the value of 3 and a power of 1 of 3 comma 2 will be 7 and a power of 1 3 comma 3 will be 0. Okay, this is the cost adjacency matrix of a power of 1 that will be assigned to 0 4 11 6 0 2 3 7 0. Now if we have to be calculated step 2 step 2 in the sense, listen carefully step 2 in the sense solving the equation for k is equal to 2. No, previously we can calculate it in step 1 solving the equation for k is equal to 1. Now we have to be taken k is equal to 2. Okay, now we have to use the above formula only, above formula. Now if we have to be calculated right side I have to wrote it look at this, a power of 2 is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3. Here always a2 power of 1 comma 1 0, a2 power of 2 comma 2 is 0, a2 power of 3 comma 3 will be 0. Now if we have to apply the equations a2 of 1 comma 1, look at this, that will be minimum of a power of k minus 1, here k value how much, 2 minus 1 how much, a power of 1 of I comma k, I in the sense 1, I is equal to 1, k will be how much, a power k, 2 is there na, k is equal to 2, a power of k minus 1 in the sense a power of 1 of I comma k in the sense 1 comma 2 plus a power of k minus 1 in the sense 2 minus 1 a power of 1 of what, k comma j, k in the sense 2 comma j in the sense 1 of comma c of I comma j value 1 comma 1. Now if we have to substitute now if you have to be calculated A1 cost adjacency matrix is there. If you have to look at A1 cost adjacency matrix and if you have to do the problem here, okay, minimum of A power of 1 comma 2, look at this A power of 1 comma 2 in the sense first row second column, how much the value 4 plus next A power of 1 of 2 comma 1 in the sense second row first column 6 comma C of 1 comma 1 in the sense there is no direction, that's why the 0 will be came. 10 comma 0, which one is the minimum? Minimum is 0. Okay, now we have to do A power of 2 of 1 comma 2, that will be assigned to minimum of here A power k, how much k value is equal to 2, I value is equal to 1, j value is equal to 2. Okay, minimum of A power of k minus 1 in the sense 2 minus 1, A power of 1 of I comma k, I in the sense how much? 1 comma k in the sense 2 plus A power of k minus 1 in the sense 2 minus 1, A power of 1 of k comma j, k value is 2 comma j value is 2 comma C of I comma j in the sense C of 1 comma 2. Now if you have to look at A1 cost matrix, look at this A1 cost matrix above minimum of A power of 1 of 1 comma 2 in the sense first row second column 4 plus A power of 1 2 comma 2 in the sense 0 comma C of 1 comma 2 in the sense, look at the graph C of 1 comma 2. C of 1 comma 2 in the sense 1 to 2 the direction will be 4. Look at this, the direction will be 4. Okay, 4. Okay, minimum of 4 comma 4. Look at this, minimum of 4 comma 4, the value is 4. Likewise, if you have to be calculated, only one thing I want to explain, A power of 2, A power of k of 1 comma 3, that will be assigned to minimum of A power k in the sense A power k minus 1, 2 minus 1, A power 1. Okay, of I comma k, I in the sense 1 comma k in the sense 2 plus A power of k minus 1 in the sense A power of 2 minus 1 in the sense A power 1 of k comma j, k in the sense 2 comma j in the sense 3 comma C of I comma j in the sense 1 comma 3. Now if we have to look at the above cost adjacency matrix of A power 1, 1 comma 2, how much you can get? 4 plus A power of 1 2 comma 3, 2 to 3 how much? 2 comma C of 1 comma 3 in the sense 1 2 2 3 the direction will be, look at this, 1 2 3 the direction will be here 11. If you have to write 11 here, 11 amma, 11 minimum of 6 comma 11, how much you can get? Minimum value 6. Likewise, if you have to be calculated 2 1 2 2 will be 0, 3 3 will be 0. Okay na, A2 of 2 comma 1, A2 of 2 comma 2, A2 of 2 comma 3, A2 of A power of 2 of 3 comma 1, A power of 2 3 comma 2, A power of 2 3 comma 3 will be 0. Okay na. Now likewise this will calculated to the A power of 2 will be assigned to 046 370. Similarly, in the same manner, step 3, we want to solving the equation for k is equal to 3. We can get A power of 3 is equal to 046 502 370. Okay, listen carefully what I am saying here. Likewise, we want to be calculated A power of 1 comma, A power of 2 comma, A power of 3. These are all sequence of decisions. The dynamic programming concept, what is the main aim? Sequence of decisions made for the optimal, made for obtaining the optimal solution and all final shortest path between all pair of vertices. Okay, we need to calculate these are all sequence of decisions and all final shortest path between all pairs of vertices. Like this manner we can solve this all pairs shortest path by using a dynamic programming approach. It is also very important concept. It is also known as one more name, that is nothing but Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Okay, Floyd-Warshall algorithm is also known to be a all pairs shortest path problem. Okay, up to now, thank you. If you have any doubts regarding the topic, can you please ask me?